Hello and welcome to STACKERSFX Forex Net Worth Building System. Now, this system has been around a while, and that's a good thing because a system that can stand around a while and keep doing the same things it does is even more powerful than a new system that is released, because in the financial world, if you can prove yourself over time to be a stable way of trading, then that equals potential big money. Anyways, Stackers is designed to take out ranges of price up and down. It incorporates swings and trends in the middle, but overall, with this system, we're looking to take out big ranges and just stack them up over and over time. Now, of course, when you have faster markets, you're going to be able to hit these big ranges more often. But that's not to say in slower markets that you're not going to hit them. It's just that you will hit them just at a slower pace. All right? Okay, so anyways, so let's pop over to the main page here and let's look. Here's an example between 2009 and 2011. We left the original here because you want to see perspective over time. And so we have the four pairs here, okay? All right, so you put them all together. You just stack up the trades that between the losses and the wins, and you come out to 48,000 pips. Okay, that's a lot of pips, but 2009, 2010, 2011. That's 3 years of systems results, and those were more active years, all right, compared to what we just currently got out of, although it's picking up a little bit now. Now 2012 and 2013 slowed down, okay, and that's understandable. If you look at long-term Forex price charts, you'll see the markets speed up, you'll see them slow down. Probably one of the ultimate fast markets was in 2008. It's a beautiful thing. But anyways, you don't need 2008 just to make money. You can simply just keep doing the system year after year and look to take what the year gives you. All right, so let's go look at some trades. Oh, Flash crashed. Flash is always having a problem these days, isn't it? Okay. Typed a lot on this, didn't we? And here you can check out progression on a starting amount of $10,000 and 5 trades on average. And we say an average profit per trade of 355. That means you add up all the trades together to get the total amount of pips, and you divide by the number of trades. So, and in reality, it's a good way of looking at it because you don't really totally know exactly what trade's going to succeed or not. All right, so by taking every trade without thinking twice about it, then you have an average profit per trade according to the system's results. So therefore, when you can establish an average profit of trade in a system, then in the future, granted performance remains similar, that every trade you take is going to be worth an anticipated 355 pips, okay, just based on historical, although past results are not necessarily indicative of future results. You know how that goes. Anyways, I have to use this language here just so you keep perspective. But when we're looking at this as a business, for a system to trade as a business and to trade for a net worth grower of our own, maybe our own personal accounts, then we look in terms of these types of numbers. Okay, we you can't guarantee the future, but you have to go by something. So something is historical, and so therefore we base our business off of a historical pattern. All right, just like any business, no one can predict the future. No one can predict buying patterns per se, but we can base off of good probability. And as the business owner or marketer or trader, we have to have the conviction of such that it will happen. If we don't believe that it can or will happen, then we're not going to be able to take the action needed to actually implement our business system, are we? Okay, so you have on one hand disclaimer language for those who think that trading is some sort of silly jackpot, and then the other hand you have conviction language showing for those who are serious, looking to trade Forex seriously as a serious business. You need to have more definiteness and conviction and certainty in your decision making. Anyways, in terms of being being willing to trade the system in the future, you have to believe in the system in order to trade it. All right. So those are two mindsets differentiated. Okay. So anyways, so you can see the breakdown per position, how it grows. First 5 trades, next 5 trades, next 5 trades. Okay, and see how, based on this thinking of an average profit per trade of 355 pips, how it can grow. But that said, you could have your first 5 trades be losing trades and still have an average profit of 355 pips per trade. You understand that, right? Because this is an average of all the trades combined, summed up with the profits and the losses. But the thing is, in real time, you don't know for sure, although you can probably tell in a good degree of probability if something's going to work or not. But you don't know for sure, for certain, and emotionally you definitely don't know. It's going to be pretty much the opposite of your emotions, and what's going to work in the future. So you simply just do all the deals. That's the secret to winning in systems trading with a winning system. So we go on to explain the performance here, and also there's a reference to Stackers 3.1 Cash Flow FX. That's a companion system that we pair with this system in particular while we're waiting on our trades to mature and hit their targets. We can actually trade for cash flow in between. And so here we go, and you can see this trade stacked up here as such, and you can see wins versus losses. Okay, and sometimes, for example, right here we'll hit 3 crappier trades in a row. Now granted, you see 500 pips, but you're on a high flyer pound yen pair in a high flying market. All right, so keep that in perspective. Of course, you don't have to trade that. You can trade whatever Forex pair you want. All right, and you can see how these pairs stack up. Now, we could keep on putting results, and we may add more. But ultimately, what you need to do is look here for the character of the system. This system can work in any market, uptrend, downtrend, and sideways. That's the unique thing about the Stackers method, and that's why it's very powerful, and it's a method you should always be trading in addition to your general swing and trend trading. All right. Why again? This is a method that is not that affected by market conditions. Of course, if the market is like flatline, every system is affected, right? But you just don't trade those. So this system, again, uptrending, sideways, downtrending, it doesn't matter. Okay, these price ranges and swings, these price oscillations are just going to happen in either or any type of market, and that's gives you an edge, a new type of edge to use and profit in the markets. And no, this is not channel trading, it's range trading. Okay, so anyways, to get more information, we're going to put an opt-in form on this page, and you'll be up here somewhere, and you can just sign up, and you'll get more information on the system in particular. We treat this system as more of a net worth builder, more of a net worth mindset. It's just, the trades happen over time, and we look to, just, hey, the money, the signals keep coming, okay, from the system. This is a home study course, in case you need to know. It's not a software, it's not a robot. That's a mess. All right, you need a normal trading system. You check in, for a couple minutes every night, see how things are going, and that's about it. Okay, that's it. You don't need to stare at the charts all day or anything. Okay, so you check in a few minutes a day, and that's how you trade the system. And you're going to learn through video course. I'm going to show you the secrets and the details, and I'm going to explain the pitfalls to avoid, money management, etc., etc. Even ways to treat this strategically if you want. But really, we've developed a strategy called Railgun FX. All right, and you just go back to the home page here. It's the Railgun FX. We've taken the Stackers formula, and we've really made something special out of a home run type of optimization, trying to pick and cherry pick the best and biggest and baddest moves. So just go to the front page on Stackers FX. You can always just click on the logo at the top to get to the main page. Anyways, that's about it. I'm running out of time. So for more information, contact us. Otherwise, just get started. Thank you.